Yo, what's going on? This is David. Welcome back to the channel. As always, remember to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I really appreciate it. We only got one rule. Do your own research. Do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor, so make sure you do your own research. That is the key. But yeah, let's jump right into it. Had a good week in the market, a great week actually. Just real quick, Dow was up 1.58%. Or 543 points. So the Dow's now hovering over the 34K mark, which is a good thing. NASDAQ was up 3% this week. Ooh, I'm praying for that NASDAQ to go up. Up over 3%, up 339 points, back over 11K. So that's a good thing. And the S&P up 1.75% this week, up 68 points. And it's just below that 4K. I think it's at 39.99. A lot of people saying that the S&P is going to drop down to 3,200 or 3,000, but it's still holding strong right now. So we'll see, But it had a very good week, and but now you have first quarter earnings that's coming around. So some companies are starting to report their not first quarter earnings, fourth quarter earnings, right? So the last 3 months of 2022, you have companies are reporting their fourth quarter earnings, and that could have an impact on the market, of course. Especially in your big time companies come around, your Apples, your Amazons, your bank stocks, all that type of stuff. So just be on the lookout for that. If you're not used to paying attention, it's a good thing to pay attention, especially if you are invested in these companies. You should know or have an idea of what's going on, with their earnings report. So that's always a good thing. So, so we're back week two of the challenge, VOO SCHD, right? So this is week two. We completed our week two challenge, which is we invested $2 into SCHD and we invested $2 into VOO because it is the second week of the year. So we invested $2. Next week is the third week of the year. So next Friday, we'll be investing $3. Fourth week, $4. Fifth week, $5, all the way until week 52. So you're going to have a slow start, right? You're going to have a slow start. Let's take a look here. So we did a $2 purchase into SCHD. They only got us 0.025 shares, right? Because you're also going to pay a small fee with these funds. So yeah, and I know that, right? I know $1, $2 not going to do much. And with VOO, you'll see we was only able to get 0.005 shares this week with our $2 challenge. So when you're a long-term investor, I want you guys to think big picture. You got to learn how to think big picture in regards to investing for the long term. So the purpose of this challenge is not only to grow your portfolio, right, but to build momentum. Build momentum and make investing like second nature. I didn't start seeing a big impact in my portfolio until I made investing a second nature. So if you're like a new investor or you're off and on, you don't pay attention as much to your investing, I think you're kind of selling yourself short. So with this challenge, I want you to lock in each week. Some lock in every day, right? Paying attention to the market, paying attention to the financial news. I always say that you should have the Yahoo Finance app, CNBC app, so that you can keep up with what's going on in the market. Bloomberg app is a good one to have on your phone, just so you know what's going on with these companies, right? So, it's investing. It's a state of mind. So that's the purpose of the challenge. We're going to grow our portfolio. We're going to make investing second nature. We're going to build some momentum in our, with our mindset. And, that's the purpose of the challenge. So we just completed week two, $2 into VOO, $2 into SCHD. Two funds that I'm excited about. And I can't wait to see how this turns out at the end of the year. So, yeah, that's and just also within the portfolio, we also picked up some ET, which is energy transfer. I invest in this every week as well, right? I'm not doing a challenge on it, but I just invest in it every week. Uh, uh, Somebody that I follow on um, Twitter, right? Um, it kept recommending, this stock, and I just look at it. I just kept my eye on it, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and start investing in it, right? Did I have the funds set aside to throw a big chunk into it? No. So what I want to do, I'm gonna invest slowly into it every week, a couple of dollars here, a couple of dollars there. What I'm doing, I think with this one is $5 every week, every Friday goes into ET. Is trading at a very low price, so you can accumulate shares quickly. So that's what I'm doing right now. I think portfolio should have energy in it. I did real well with Exxon last year before I sold that for a nice profit. Kind of wish I held it longer, but it is what it is. So now I have energy transfer. I have XLE, also good energy fund to have. So yeah. So also this month, yesterday we received dividend payment from Realty Income, ticker symbol O. If you know my last video, I talked about REITs that you can invest in, receive monthly income, passive income. O is one of those that I talked about. They paid a dividend yesterday. They pay a monthly dividend. So this is a company that I feel real good about. It stood the test of time, and this is another position that I'm looking to grow over time. So that's all. I don't want to hold you guys too long. Just want to give you an update. $2 in the VOO, $2 in the SCHD. Next week we'll do $3, and so on for the rest of the year. So that's all for today. Remember to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. As always, we have one rule: do your own research, because I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research. I am not a financial advisor, and I will talk to you guys later.